Welcome back to Weekend Prime. Let's talk sports now. And Philemon, Mburu and Fridah Ledipa are the winners of the 17th edition of the Safaricom Lewa Marathon. Ledipa made history by winning the ladies' race for a fourth time in succession, while Mburu won his fourth time after missing out last year. Okenye reports from the Lewa conservancy.
The 17th edition of the Safaricom Lewa Marathon attracted more than 1,300 people, including London Marathon champion Eliud Kipchoge and Henry Wanyuike. With 150,000 shillings guaranteed for the winners, it did not take time for serious contenders to emerge as the clock ticked by. 2014 men's champion Philemon was a turn to reclaim a crown he lost last year as he crossed the finish line in a time of 2 hours, 22 minutes and 42 seconds, bagging his fourth Lewa Marathon crown.
Nyewe nahisi vizuri, nashukuru Mungu kwa kuniweka nguvu na kulinda hiyo mguu yangu ilikuwa na shida. Sasa leo haikuwa na shida vile, niko sawa.
In the ladies 42-kilometer race, Fridah Ledipa made history by winning the race for a fourth consecutive time, clocking 2 hours 48 minutes and 22 seconds. First timer Mary Ngendo was second, while Rispa Lagat was third.
Leo mashindano ilikuwa ngumu kidogo, sababu mshindi namba 2 nilipata kilomita 38. Yeah.
In the 21-kilometer race, Peter Wambua proved too quick for his opponents, winning the race in 1 hour 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Eliud Kipchoge finished fourth in that race.
Asubuhi ya leo hewa imekuwa ngumu zaidi ya mahali tunapigia mazoezi, lakini nimesaidiana na wenzangu, nje imekuwa milima zaidi.
After finishing second in last year's race, Pauline Wanjiru was sure not to repeat a past mistake as she emerged the winner in 1 hour 16 minutes and 38 seconds. In its 17 years in the country, the race has collected more than 400 million shillings. It's a day that saw 2 records set here at the Lewa Conservancy. For the 1,300 people that took part in this race, it's soldiering on against poaching. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports at the Lewa Conservancy.